Show them where we're going. Right here. There's the beach on the map. GPS. Woo!
It starts glitching.
Made it to Blizzard Beach. It's these two girls' first time here. We've been here before. I'm trying to get my tan on. Look at this car.
What are we doing?
Doesn't matter. They both could go on there.
Go on there, both, and on the other one.
Oh, look at them. How cute, Kelly.
It's probably hot.
Peanut.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do the long way too.
Say Blizzard Beach. Yeah. Quick.
Turn around, look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, everyone's around.
Here we go. All right, let's walk around and see where.
They are. Remember we got rain last weekend.
I don't like walking without shoes. Oh, we got to do that one over there, the slide, the race one. Why? We went on that one.
I didn't go.
You didn't?
I've never done one.
Oh, I think you did do that before.
No, I have not.
Yes, you had. Let's just, you want to go over here or on that side? Yeah. Oh, the water feels good. Yeah. Go. Look at that. That feels good.
Yeah, it's not as cold. You just gotta get used to it. Nah, it's a little bit cold when you're not used to it.
Yeah, but your body gets used to it. The sun's been hitting it all day. I think the water feels really good. I was afraid it was gonna be cold.
It's like you gotta get used to it. Why do you
Yeah.
go that way?
Well, you gotta go more down that way, that's
I
why.
don't remember it being this low.
Yeah.
It's
Look
like
at
a little short.
We're gonna
down.
see.
Yeah, I gotta wait.
You guys are fine?
Yeah, we're good.
Just lean back, that's it. Look at the girls.
These are floating good in there.
There you go.
On the right, that's
You got it?
the chimney. The chimney.
Let's see, it's gonna do it.
We did it earlier, so I don't think I do it.
I feel my arms already warm. He's got a sneeze. He used to make the noise. Hush. There we go. You see? Oh! She's scared of the water.
It's cold.
Hey, going in the cave. She had to lay down. Oh, the water is warm right here. It's warm. Yeah. Whoa. Go, go, go. You got this. Right there, right there. You got it, it's right there. Go. Help you out, see? Go, 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 go. Almost there, almost there. Oh, sorry. That one right there.
I can't even reach it.
You can't? You gotta slide that way. You got it, Daly. Ah, you bumped it right. Did it. You're almost there. Go, go, go. Oh, snap. Yeah.
That's scary.
You gonna do it?
How tall is it? How tall is the feet?
Oh,
8
8 feet.
Oh no, I ain't doing that. I'm drowning. Yeah, I'm drowning. I'm gonna drown.
You know how to swim?
They're out when they whistle, then another person comes to help.
Oh, you could do a life vest.
You want to do a life vest so you don't go, it's not always 8 feet.
Again. Scary.
To go in and fall for you? Yeah. Not with a life vest, you yeah, but it brings you back up with the vest. You know what I'm saying? Try it.
Those life vests are disgusting.
Joy brings you back up. You don't stay in the water.
Down.
Watch somebody do it first. Let's see what I'm doing.
I'll watch. Who's letting the kids do this to for water?
There he goes. There he goes. Whoa. Boo. See, that's smart though. I think mommy wants to do it. You gonna do it, Chrissy?
No,
Do it.
No.
Why not? Scared?
No, yeah. Oh, she can't.
You will not catch me out there, that's for sure. It's too high for me. Hey guys, we're on the, what is it, gondola?
I don't know.
Something. Hey everybody. Hey.
The gondolas were up there somewhere. They don't come down.
Someone a little scary here.
Yes, I don't like these things. I'm afraid of heights.
There we go.
Thank you.
I want to see somebody go down the slide.
Somebody's going right now. They moved the bar.
With this?
Yeah. Yeah, a girl. There she goes. Ooh.
There we go.
Please remain.
Pandora. Everest. And the trees. Oh, I can't see. I hate going backwards.
Yeah, no, me too.
Woo, there we go. Yes. Woo. I can't see.
I don't like going backwards.
We're gonna be going down. We're gonna be going down.
I can't even see. My hair's in my face.
Me too.
Let me know when we go down.
Right now, right now.
No?
No, not yet, not yet. Oh. Here we go. It's the finish line.
Come on.
No, it's not.
It's a small one and there's another one right now.
There you go, there you go. That's it. Yeah. That was it. This is the end. This is the end. Look at the icicles. There's icicles in Florida? Look at the wagon. Typhoon Lagoon. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Sideways.
See if it says
1, 2, 3.
beef area.
Hold on. Wait, somebody's playing. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Fabulous. So, how was your day?
It was pretty fun, guys.
Yeah, first day. First time here.
The family.
This is the first time. The what?
The family slide.
Oh, yes. They scream. She was gonna do the zip line, but she didn't do it. She was scared. She chickened out.
Yeah.
And her
It's
too.
8 feet.
Too.
I'm gonna drown.
8 feet's not that bad.
You guys know how to swim. You're not going to drown.
Just put your head up like this and you'll be fine.
I'll probably train it so. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Okay, and the lifeguard's right there, and Papi could have jumped in. 'cause he's not
Says the person who was
That
scared
lifeguard
too.
is not certified.
She was scared also.
I was scared of the other team because he was higher.
Yeah. If it wasn't a height restriction, I would have done it.
I like guys like 2 years older than me.
So we had a good time today. Tomorrow we're gonna be going to the springs. We don't know which springs we're gonna go to. We don't know which one yet, right?
No, not yet.
We don't know which one we're gonna be going to, but we're gonna be going with my family and brother's family. It's gonna be a big group. First time in Springs, and we've been in Florida for a whole year already. So look out for that video. We'll be posting this on tomorrow, I believe. So give me time to edit, and then stay tuned for the next video. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and comment, share the video, and then we'll see you guys next time. Peace.